Diba? At hanggang bukas tayo dito. Para NCAA Season 101 on GTV Heart of Asia, GMA Sports PH, and NCAA Philippines. First rally, Kat Santos agad ang pinuntahan itong San Sebastian. And on the other side, it's Bachar going toe-to-toe. Habakon. Palahadya sets up the back row. Deposoy drops it in.
Yeah, good spin from Deposoy.
At itong San Sebastian, Sean, as we see, there's a patak from Deposoy. Medyo may tigil.
Yes.
Yung simula nila against San Beda.
Yes, and I'm sure yun din yung hinahanap sa kanila ni Coach Roger Gurriel.
Ito, si Kat Santos coming off a 24-point performance. Getting her first one right there.
Yes, Kat Santos. Talagang laging may diin sa mga palo nitong si Kat Santos. Parang wala siyang kinakatakutan. Kahit sinong blockers ang ilagay mo sa harap niya.
Ganda ng pasa rin niya doon. And Kat, kilala natin yan from her first year down to this season, her graduating year as Habakon flies in for the kill for San Beda's first point.
Ooh, you know, Martin, excited ako makita yung Habakon and Santos na talagang naglalabanan sila sa attacks.
Dalawa ito sa magagaling nating spikers dito sa NCAA. And here comes Angel. Solid first serve. Better pick up by Deposoy. Abraham against her former teammates. Ibibigay sa kabila. Kat Santos targeting zone 5.
Wow. Yung elevation nitong si Kat Santos. Makikita natin talagang once na humarap siya, talagang dun niya pupunta yung bola niya.
So mapa open side.
Yes.
Opposite side. Pumuntos na yung Kat Santos. Here's the setup. Uy! Katubig.
Miscommunication doon.
Medyo nahirapan ng habulin ito ni Jillian Katubig. Yung bola.
Yeah.
At yun naman yung gustong mag-capitalize na itong San Sebastian pag nagkakamali yung San Beda.
Yeah. And of course, less error lang din talaga yung kailangan ng each team.
Bachar bumawi para dito sa Lady Red Spikers.
Bachar, the lefty of the Lady Red Spikers.
Parang challenging ba kaya? Lefty na opposite.
Yes,
ano?
yes. Ako personally, outside hitter ako and kami yung bumabantay ng mga opposite hitters. Mahirap talagang blockin yung mga lefty na opposite kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan nila papaluin, kung saan sila nakaharap. Yun yung mahirap basahin.
Dahil first coverage mo, Shola.
Yeah.
Na-jinx mo. Si Bachar. Attack error on Janelle Bachar as we see Coach Kung Fu on your screens. Si Coach Kung Fu, you know, historically, chill talaga yan.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero, na-notice ko kapag sa practice, talagang lumalabas, kasi galing siyang military.
Yeah.
So, lumalabas talaga yung pagka-strict niya sa practice. Nadadala niya yung sa military, sa mga trainings.
Nung may team pa, yung Army Lady Troopers, si Coach Kung Fu po, ang head coach noon for many, many years. Of course, coach veterans. Let's see, Maizo Pontiles, Bansi Pabayo. Pero ito, puntos para kay Deposoy.
Deposoy, nakita niyang open area yung gitna nitong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
7-2 is the tally. San Sebastian surprising San Beda here in the opening set. Here's Bachar. Off speed para dito kay Bachar. A sharper drop ball here.
And of course, Bachar. Nakita niya yung area na hindi naka-ready. Itong San Sebastian.
Palahadya. Over to Deposoy. Gumagana. Itong si Deposoy sa ating first set.
You know, Martin, kung ano yung nakita ko, yung magandang set.
Di Palahadya.
Yes, sobrang ganda nung naging set.
He's done a great job so far. They're ahead 8-3. On the other side of the break, we'll have Chantal Laude.
Magandang hapon mga kapuso. You're watching the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. This season, we are witnessing a bounce back for the Sunbelt Lady Red Spikers. When I asked the ladies what is the biggest contributing factor to their good start, without any hesitation, they gave the biggest credit to their coaching staff. I had a chance to ask Coach Kung Fu Reyes about this. At ang sabi niya, siguro yung sistema namin, yung structure at yung dedication ng coaches, ito ang natutularan ng koponan. Sinasabi niya rin daw lagi sa koponan na huwag matakot magkamali at matuto lang silang manalo. On the other side, patuloy pa rin humahanap ng good rhythm ang sa San Sebastian Lady Stags. Bahagi nga sa akin ni head coach Roger Gorayeb, it's not the skills that his team is lacking, but rather the mental ability to handle pressure. Kaya what Coach Roger hopes to see today is a calm and composed Lady Stags at hindi siguro siya na-disappoint sa unang pinakita ng ating Lady Stags. Yan muna, Martin and Shola.
All right, thank you so much, Chantal. Of course, info from our coaches, San Sebastian. That was on point. Dahil yun talaga yung nagiging problema nitong San Sebastian. Finishing sets, yung panapos
Yes.
na tinatawag nila dito sa volleyball.
Yes, and yun na lang yung kailangan nilang i-workout pa.
Yeah.
Yung panapos nila para mas marami pa silang makuhang panalo.
On San Beda's side, the catalyst of this 4-1 record is of course the system of Coach Kung Fu Reyes making an impact immediately upon his entry as head coach. Here's Teposoy. Kanina pa pumupuntos para sa San Sebastian. Back set here. Bachar flies in.
Attack goes out.
And she has been shaky dito sa first set natin, Chola.
Yes, medyo nakakakita rin ako ng gigil sa kanya sa mga attacks niya. And feeling ko kailangan niya lang munang mag-relax para mas makuha niya yung game niya.
Ganda naman nung 1-2 play na yun. Gina Espina able to put it down.
Number 7.
And a quick substitution from Coach Kung Fu as we see. Is a 1-2 play. Back dump by Espina.
Now serving for the Lady Red Spikers.
Magandang opportunity to for Espina na talagang mas maging yung decision making niya mas maging malawak pa.
Teposoy. Good pop-up. Tabakon! Lazarte picks it up. Teposoy dug up behind. Tabakon flies again. This time choosing the corner.
Alam mo, Martin, nakita ko yun na doon niya dadalhin yung bola. Kasi nung nag-cross-court siya, na-block siya eh. And then, ang ganda rin sa kay Angel kasi marami siyang option, marami siyang variation sa attacks.
Ang bilis ng adjustment
Yes.
mula kay Angel Habacon. Ooh! And a service ace. Para dito kay Sofia De La Cruz.
Service ace from De La Cruz. Ganda ng pagbaba ng bola.
Player from Bacolod. Mula sa Trinity Christian School. Is the back set here. Abraham couldn't convert. Ang San Beda kay Angel. Ito, nabasa na ni Dionisio. Chance ball. Uy!
Miscalculation from Deposoy. Medyo nauna. Itong si Deposoy.
So 7 serving 10. San Beda chipping away into this lead. Kanina, 6 ang hinahabol nila. Down to half of that. TJ ends that run.
Good play from the setter and the middle. Feeling ko kailangan din nilang i-work out itong play na to kasi kanina more on outside sila eh. So, mas paganahin pa nila yung middle nila kasi nababasa na rin itong San Sebastian Lady Stars.
They have 2 capable middles to do that. As Habacon scores off the block and gives the ball to Shola.
Gusto nata ako isali.
Gusto mo ba? Former MVP to, ha? Bigatin tong puhugutin niya dito, ha? But that was a powerful hit coming from Habacon. Yung mga ganun, pumuporsyento din yung mga spikers. Ay, hindi, mga setter.
Setter, yes.
And a service ace. Another one for San Beda. Ito si Juniega. Yung pumuntos. Coach Roger calls for time.
Ayan na naman kayo eh. Lamang tayo ng malaki. Hindi ko maintindihan sa inyo na naman eh. Ano, nagtitiwala kayo, sobrang laki ng lamang nyo. Inuunti-unti kayo eh, hindi kayo mapakali eh. Kalma nyo nga yung sarili ninyo. Parang umuusok yung mga katawan nyo eh. Kontrolin nyo, mag-isip maigi.
Ayan, nagkakaroon kasi ng struggle itong San Sebastian Lady Stags pagdating sa ating service reception.
Kasi, abante kanina ng anim itong San Sebastian. Now it's down to 2.
Serving 11.
And kung narinig niyo po yung report kanina ni Chantal Laude, yan yung nagiging problema sa San Sebastian. They could not sustain their strong starts. Oh, this is a good track down from Abraham. A chance though for San Beda. Habakon
Angel
takes down the blockers and moves to the other side. Ito, sobrang momentum.
Point awarded to San Sebastian.
Yes, and grabe yung elevation nitong si Angel Habacon. Talagang anytime na tumaas yung bola sa kanya,
Yeah.
wala siyang katakot-takot baluin.
Hold on. There's gonna be a challenge here. By
We have a motion challenge for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Net touch.
Oh, I feel like tumawag yung first referee natin
okay. So,
sa...
it wasn't given to San Beda.
Yes.
Okay, kaya i-challenge ni Coach Kung Fu.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang sige, Shol, ang tawag ba ay dahil tumawid itong si Angel?
Yeah, feeling ko kasi nakita ng first referee natin na nag-net touch itong si net touch or sa line. I'm not sure.
Si Angel.
Oh, net touch. Yeah.
Pero ang i-challenge ng San Beda, nag-net touch muna itong San Sebastian.
Yeah.
Okay. Ay,
Or pwedeng no touch itong si
no
Angel
touch.
Habacon.
Okay, yun pala.
Yeah.
Sige, silipin natin. Our referees today, first referee Erwin Lu Cordero and second referee Antonio Espartero. First challenge of the day. First of many,
marami
no?
pa. Yes.
Marami pa. Why na? Siyempre. Di ba? Pero so far, Shola, anong masasabi mo sa takbo ng dalawang teams natin?
Ang na-notice ko talaga, two different system talaga yung nakikita ko. Kasi system from Coach Kung Fu and system from Coach Roger Gurayev. Gusto ko makita kung paano i-apply ng mga bata and paano i-absorb ng mga players yung system ng mga coaches nila. Kasi magkaibang sistema eh. And nakikita ko talagang nag-ready itong both teams natin for today's game.
Tama ka, Shola.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Well, there.
There's definitely movement at the net and they're calling it a net touch. Sabi niya, natatawa si Angel.
Parang mas pinansin niya yung mukha niya doon kaysa doon sa na-net touch siya. Yun pa kasi yung naka-freeze eh.
Hihiramin niya yan pang profile picture.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Larry. Hindi, may tatanong ako kasi mag-i-inquire sa akin yung team natin.
Okay, sumama na sa review si Coach Kung Fu.
Nandun na siya.
Nandun na, checking out the screen. There was
Yeah.
definite movement.
Yeah. Feeling ko, pino-point out ni Coach Kung Fu na nakabagsak na yung bola bago siya mag-net touch.
Puntos muna.
Yes.
Bumagsak na yung
Bago
bola.
yeah.
Bago nangyari yon.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think they need to view it from a wider
Wider,
perspective.
Para mas makita natin kung ano yung
After
nangyari.
reviewing the play,
Yeah.
net touch is a yes.
Okay.
The challenge is unsuccessful.
Hindi nila nauna yung net po fault mo
San
bago
Beda
mo
Lady
magsakin.
Red Spikers have one time remaining for the set.
Kaya nga,
Point
di ba,
awarded to San
ang
Sebastian
5
Ladies
fault
Tags.
mo bago mo bagsak yung bola.
Okay, so they just confirmed it. According to our officials, nauna yung net touch
Yeah.
bago lumapag yung bola sa sahig.
Service goes out.
But that's just a point getting canceled out of a service error by KJ Jonicio. So balik pa rin ang bola dito sa Lady Red Spikers.
Gina Espina now serving for the Lady
Gina
Red
Espina.
Spikers.
On deck to serve. It's a good serve. Palahaja setting up Ramos. They go to Bachar here. May bantay. Didn't matter for Janelle Bachar.
Sumabit sa net yung attack niya, but nagawan pa rin niya ng paraan. And also the blockers of the San Sebastian, hindi sila stable. Kaya rin talagang lumusot itong palo ni Bachar.
Sinakita natin dun kahit tumalbog na.
Yes.
Pero buka yung blockers,
yeah.
ano? Yeah. Santos flies in. Balik sila kay Bachar.
Ah,
And
Wow.
this time she gets the check.
ito malinis na.
Ayun.
Malinis na check ball from Bachar. So yung middle nitong San Sebastian, kailangan niyang mas maging matibay pagdating sa mga wingers nitong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
4-0 run by San Beda. Campos with a save. Back row hit from De La Cruz. Middle attack. And Ramos will score and end the run.
Finally, nakuha niya itong puntos from quick play. Kasi kanina pa siya nakukuha dun sa play na yon. But this time, nakuha na ni Ramos itong puntos.
So yun yung pangalawang quicker na meron itong si Palahadia. This one was deflected. So the setup from Baste. Santos is covered. Abraham. Not that time. They go to Angel here. Tepusoy was behind for coverage. Santos. Good coverage from San Beda. And Bachar with yet another off the block hit.
Wow, the setter of the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Talagang nag-take risk siya dun. And sobrang sobrang nakakabilib yun kasi hindi niya nakita yung opposite side niya. Pero since may tiwala siya kay Bachar, talagang ibinato niya doon kay Bachar.
That's right. Also coming off an awkward angle.
Yes.
Itong si Espina. Regalo para kay De La Cruz.
Yeah, I can see na nakukuha na nitong San Beda yung momentum na hinahanap nila kanina. Ngayon tuloy-tuloy na yung puntos na nakukuha nila.
Abante na
Tuna Gonzalez.
itong Lady Red Spikers after trailing by as many as 6 points. Kaya nag-iba na ng tao itong si Coach Roger. Juna Gonzalez is on the floor for the first time. She is the usual starter. Service ace unleashed by Angel Habacon.
Again, another ace from the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Ito yung kailangang gamutin ng San Sebastian kasi kanina pa nakakakuha ng ace itong San Beda.
I believe that's the third ace
Yeah.
of San Beda already. Abraham denied. Santos will try. Denied as well. Look at the net coverage of San Beda. 16-13. Lady Red Spikers have taken over the opening set, covering both Spikers. Magbabalik po kami. It has been a set of runs so far. San Sebastian getting the faster start. But the last 9 points, look at this, an 8-1 run for San Pedro.
Of course, as we can see, Martin, hindi na nakausad itong San Sebastian. And nakita ko rin na nanggaling itong mga score na to sa aces nitong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
So we'll see if San Sebastian can recover here. Lazarte having difficulty with the first ball. Espina to De La Cruz.
Ooh.
On the line for De La Cruz.
Again, De La Cruz targeting yung pinakadulo ng line. And easy point for her.
Sofia De La Cruz coming off the bench and scoring her 3rd point already. Abacon. This one's too strong. So babalik ang puntos sa San Sebastian. 14-17.
Pat Santos now serving for
Tina
San
Marasigan
Sebastian.
is also on the floor for Baste for some much needed firepower.
Mas naghahanap na si Coach Roger ng mga players na talagang mag-step up for this game.
Bachar with the sharp angle.
I can see Martin na nahihirapan itong blockers ng San Sebastian Lady Stags dito kay Bachar.
Substitution.
6 na puntos para kay Bachar, and this is such a mismatch
Yes.
if you have a lefty opposite.
Yes.
Kasi ganun ka sharp yung mga angulo nila sa cross court.
And I think
Castillo now
yung
serving
blockers
for
nitong San
San Beda.
Sebastian, they really have to adjust pagdating sa blockings dito kay Bachar.
Yeah.
Kasi kung yung isa lang yung blocking system nila, mukhang mahihirapan sila.
Palahadia over to Gonzalez.
Ooh.
Ito nagparamdam na
Juna
si Juna
Gonzalez.
Gonzalez.
Magandang bunot. Galing dito kay Coach Roger Gorayev.
Siya yung pangalawang leading scorer ng San Sebastian this season. Number 20 in scoring right now. Abacon brings it to Espina. Quick is off. Over to De La Cruz, who continues to find an opening.
Grabe. Marami sigurong mata itong mga Lady Red Spikers natin. Kasi kitang-kita nila yung open area sa depensa nitong San Sebastian.
For San Beda.
Iginilid niya dun sa blockers pa,
Yeah.
no? Dun niya pinadaan.
Yeah.
1915. Marasigan connects. That's what she can do. Itong si Tina Marasigan.
And kailangan nila ng mas maraming points from the other players.
Serving for San Sebastian.
Kumbaga kailangan maganda yung maging distribution
Oh.
ng bola dito sa ating San Sebastian.
Challenge yan para dito kay Palahadia.
Yeah.
What a rejection from Jonicio. Pero ito si Habacon. Easy up for Santos. They go to the pipe. Attack was too low.
Ever.
Good intention there from Marasigan, pero
Now
medyo
serving
short
for the
lang
Lady Red Spikers.
yung attack niya.
Yun ang nakakahinayang sa
Yeah.
San Sebastian. Sa chance nila yan. Makapuntos
Yes.
ulit.
And also wala siyang blockers.
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
magandang chance yun for her na makakuha ng point.
Lazarte. Underhand pass. Ball is still up. Abacon will give up the free ball. This is a high free ball. Jonicio. De La Cruz was there. Bachar will try. Santos with the coverage. They go back to Tina. Here, who drops it in?
Marasigan.
Nakita ko yung doubt niya sa part na yon na parang off-timing siya. Pero nagawan pa rin ang paraan nitong si Marasigan.
Tanong ko dapat, was that intentional? Kasi tatama ka, nag-hesitate siya ng konti.
nag-hesitate siya eh.
17-20. Abacon covered by Gonzalez. Lazarte forced to give it up. Here come the Lady Red Spikers. That attack bounced off the net. Santos on the approach. Joust. Balahadia. Rally continues. Habacon with the drop. Pinuhay ng Baste. Nang diskarte ni Espina. Balik kay Habacon. Off the block again.
I knew it. Alam ko doon niya pala daanin yung bola. Ito si Angel Habacon.
Timeout, San Sebastian.
The
Ladies
5th point
Flags.
of Angel Habacon. Coach Roger calling for a timeout again.
Mas yung bola, doon mo sa gitna dalhin. Kanina kapag gigil sa pagpalo mo, hindi naman tatangay ng palo mo yung blocker eh. Gamitin mo yung utak mo kung saan mo padadaanin yung bola. Hindi na yung harumpak ka lang harumpak dyan eh. Diretso sa kamay ng blocker. Ilayo mo.
Shola, as a spiker, anong masasabi mo dun sa instructions nito ni Coach Roger?
Well, tama naman si Coach Roger kasi kahit anong lakas talaga ng palo mo, kung merong blockers, kung may dalawang blockers dyan sa harap mo, hindi ka pa rin makakakuha ng
Shine
point.
Castillo out.
Kailangan diskartehan mo sila.
Yes.
Diba? Basahin mo yung binibigay nila sa'yo as we see the scoring sequence so far. Both teams alternating points.
Pat Molina.
At this juncture of the match, Molina is on the floor to serve. Palahadya to Kat. Kinaliwa ni Kat Santos.
Good adjustment from Kat Santos. Medyo dikit na itong set. Pero nakita niya yung open area dun sa likod ng mga blockers.
Good adjustment and a quick one from Santos. Habacon rising.
Ooh.
Her attack is on the line.
Wow! Grabe! Yung variation ng palo nitong si Angel Habacon.
Look at how tight this angle is.
And nakita mo, Martin, yung pag-twist niya
Yeah.
sa katawan niya para mapunta yung bola dun sa sharp cross.
Hirap yun. Diba?
At saka yung mid-air.
Oo,
Mid-air siya nag-twist ng body.
correct.
Actually, tinatrain din yun.
Yung ganon, ano?
Yeah.
And that could be a weapon for spikers as we see Kat Santos. Ito, all power from
Yeah.
Kat.
Yung Kat Santos.
1922. Pachar. Ito, covered by Banhadia already. Marasigan. Read by the blockers. They go back to Kat Santos,
Ooh.
who scores again. That's back-to-back points now for Santos.
Yes, Kat Santos, nakita na niya kung ano yung defense pattern na meron itong San Beda Lady Red Spikers. And also yung blockers din kasi niya, hindi rin stable.
San Beda Lady
Hindi
Red
na cover yung cross court. So, 2022, Coach Kung Fu naman ang pakinggan natin.
Pwede paludahan, okay na yung bilis pero huwag kang magmadali. Magkaiba siya nagmamadali tsaka mabilis yung set. Naintindihan. Ladies, isang pasa lang ulit. Kukonekta na tayo ha. Okay, puntahan natin yung atake ni Kat Santos. Ang problema yung bola natin na andito lang. Bachar, masyado ka nasa kanan. Adjust ka ng konti sa kaliwa ha, para sa block. Para kunin mo yung cross. Ikaw nang bahala sa line. Ikaw nang bahala sa line. Tapos spiker mo ha. Huwag kang magmamadali.
Wow, na-maximize ni Coach Kung Fu yung timeout niya. Talagang lahat ng information na kailangan niyang ibato sa mga players, talagang nabigay niya.
That's right. So, blocker net defense.
Yes.
Pati yung
Pati setter.
pati setter.
Yeah.
Ayan, kay Espina. So, tignan natin if they can respond here. It's a difficult set by Espina. Bachar was denied. Back row hit for De La Cruz. They go to Marasigan here. Palahadya. Kat Santos naman. Oh, Flores with the dig. Habacon. The reaction from Palahadya. Kat again with a drop ball.
Yun yung sinasabi, Martin, ni Coach Roger na hindi mo kailangan pumalo ng malakas. Kailangan mo lang din talagang gamitin yung mata mo para makita kung ano yung pattern, yung defense pattern na meron yung kalaban.
4-0 run from San Sebastian. Good read of the defense from Santos. Ito si Angel. Siya naman yung may pa-off speed.
Siya naman daw. Hindi pwedeng wala siyang mapapakitang off-speed.
Siya ngayon, no? Binasa
Yes.
muna niya, syempre. And with one blocker in front of her, kasi karamihan ng blockers nakabantay na kay Bachar. Easy point for Angel. Good pass. Combination doesn't work. Good effort from Flores. Bachar. Buhay pa. Ito si Banahadya. Sa likod naman. Lazarte, underhand setup for Santos. Ramos. Players converging. Bachar with the angled hit. Cat with a drop ball, easy up. Abacon from the back row. Binuhay ni Marasigan. Long rally here. Santos. Flores. Bachar. Lazarte to Santos again. Flores with a reaction. De La Cruz puts an end to that long rally.
Long rally. Galing dito sa ating dalawang matibay na koponan, Martin. Pero kudos to the libero of the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Talagang hindi niya pinabayaan yung mga hindi niya pinabayaan na bumagsak lang yung bola.
San Beda University Lady Red Spikers
Abacon with 7 points already. Sofia De La Cruz,
Angel Habacon.
who scored the previous point, has 5 off the bench. Angel, good coverage. Manasigan angled hit. What a dig. De La Cruz! Uy!
Wow, one blocker from De La Cruz.
And 2 straight points from one of the newcomers of San Beda. Itong si Sofia De La Cruz to end the opening set. And to frustrate Coach Roger as well, San Beda takes the lead 1-0. We'll be back after
And
this.
that ends set number 1. Our score is 25-21 in favor of the San Beda University Lady Red Spikers. They now lead the game 1-0.
Welcome back to the coverage. And it was a turnaround we saw in set number 1 from the San Beda Lady Red Spikers, down by 6 early on and then taking it by 4 at the end to take a 1-0. Ni Martin Javier, Shola Alvarez dito sa ating coverage. Shola, ibang klase yung pinakita sa ating comeback nitong San Beda.
Yes, and nakita rin natin kung paano talaga sila magtrabaho. Kumbaga, buo silang gumagalaw sa loob ng court. While the San Sebastian Lady Stags, kailangan pa nilang mas maging consistent kasi the first part ng set 1 natin, talagang all out sila maglaro eh. Pero may mga times na nag-stop lang sila.
Ito ng mga San Sebastian Lady Stags, again, it's the sustaining part,
Yeah.
yung consistency nila, yung nagkulang dito sa set number 1.
Yes, and we can see rin na yung distribution ng bola dito sa ating San Beda Lady Red Spikers, maganda. And also sa San Sebastian, kinukulang rin sila pagdating sa service reception nila na naging advantage rin nitong San Beda.
That's right. So we're continuing to see the plays from the opening set. That lady right there, itong si De La Cruz, came off the bench. The spark off the bench for Coach Kung Fu Reyes para tapusin yung first set natin. Sa kanya nang galing yung huli nilang 2 puntos, 25-21. Here are the numbers.
Yes, as we can see, mas marami pang errors itong San Beda. Pero yung attacks and the aces na meron at ginawa nila nung set 1, yun yung naging advantage nila and kinukulang din talaga sa attacks itong San Sebastian.
Merong part nung first set natin, kaya nakahabol itong San Beda.
San Beda, yeah.
Nahirapan sila
Yung
dun sa
3
first
aces,
ball.
yeah.
Oo. Kasi, you know, these aces are only an indicator kung gaano nahirapan yung
Yes.
isang team sa pag-receive.
Yes.
So,
And yung service rin kasi nitong San Beda, talagang high risk
Yeah.
sila hardball kung hardball, lalo na yung mga jump serve. Talagang anytime na magkamali sila, kumbaga hindi na nila iniisip yon.
That's right. Kumbaga, ano lang, one mode lang, hard
Yes,
serve lang tayo.
yes.
Di ba? Kada magkaroon ng chance.
Yeah.
Espina setting up Habacon as we open set number 2. Erin Navarro gets blocked by Ramos.
Sophia Ramos with the block.
First block for set 2.
Yeah.
Coming from Ramos, binantayan niya. Itong si Navarro.
That's encouraging kasi yan yung wala sa San Sebastian
Yes.
nung first set.
Yeah.
Service goes out.
Pero service error mula dito kay KJ Jonicio.
Yeah, ayan yung feeling ko. And actually, hindi feeling ko. I'm sure na ayaw mangyari ni Coach Roger na after a point, susundan ng error.
So, binibigyan mo ng chance.
Chance, yes.
Ang kabilang team. Espina setting up Bachar. Kept up. Kat Santos.
Ooh!
That's good.
Kitang-kita ni Kat na open area itong line. Zone 1
Yeah.
ng San Beda.
Caitlin Balahaya now serving
Easy point for
the
her.
side.
7 points now for Kat Santos. 2-1 start for Paste. Here's Bachar. Lumusot sa blockers ng San Sebastian.
Matibay na blockings ang kailangan nitong San Sebastian. For Bachar.
Yeah.
Actually, for Bachar and Angel Habacon.
That's right. And I want to commend the jump nung laro nito ni Bachar ngayong season. Ang laki ng inangat, ano?
Improvement.
Oh! There's a chance! Hindi lang tumawid.
Ooh. Good intention there. From Angel Habacon.
4 hits.
Kinapos lang.
3-2. Again, toe-to-toe start dito sa second set natin. Kat Santos, manggagaling na sa likod. So, si Gonzales na yung nasa front line.
Yeah.
At si Marasigan with Ramos for Baste. But
Service
that's the
error.
second
Yeah.
service error
Service
of San
error.
Sebastian. Here in set 2. At nagsisimula pa lang tayo.
Yeah. Kailangan ng maputol nitong San Sebastian yung mga errors nila.
Erin Navarro. Combination. Wow. Well executed by the Lady Stags.
And yan yung gusto nating makita galing dito sa San Sebastian Lady Stags. Yung more plays pa na kailangan nilang ipakita sa game na to.
Nagpakawala na ng patong play
Yeah.
itong Baste. Here's the back set for Bachar. Good reaction from Kat. A chance ball though is given to the white shirts. Espina. Bachar. Gonzales. Good dig coming from Flores. Santos from behind the line. Bachar will drive down the line. Wide.
Yes, and by konting gigil.
Attack goes out.
Galing dito kay Bachar.
Yeah.
Kita na niya yung dalawang kamay ng blockers niya.
Score is 5.
But then, sobra.
Alam na niya eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? Bago pa siya tumalon.
Yeah.
Kaya may gigil na konti.
Before pa siya tumalon, alam niya na yung gagawin niya.
Yan. So, Marasigan. Narigaluhan sa net.
Yeah.
This is off a nice serve by San Sebastian. We've rarely said that in this match kasi San Beda yung nag-hard serve dito.
Yeah.
De La Cruz
Wow.
ends the run.
Ang ganda ng set. Yun lang yung masabi ko. Ang ganda ng set. Sobrang steady ng set. Yung lutang ng set para makapag-decide ka mid-air kung saan mo dadalhin yung bola. Magandang impact yun.
That's right. Mula dito, another player who improved. Diba? Itong si Gina Espina. Attack error from Kat Santos.
Again, another error from
And-
the San Sebastian.
We have to talk about that. Yung, kasi si Coach Kung Fu, magaling mag-develop ng setter din.
Yes, na setter.
Diba?
Yeah.
You know, she's developed big names already. in the collegiate scene going to the pros as Batchar scores an ace.
And I know na talagang yung patience na meron si Coach Kung Fu din. Talagang parang isa rin yun sa mga pinanguhugutan niya and kailangan niya para mapa-improve pa niya yung mga players.
Yan, magaling siyang youth development, magaling pagdating sa volleyball. He's also high school coach in the UST program as KJ Jonicio with the exclamation point.
Yeah, good play coming from the setter and Jonicio. Alam na niya kung saan niya patutuldukin
Oo.
yung bola.
At meron namang karga yan si
Yeah.
KJ. 7-6 is the lead. There was a
Oh
net touch
no!
Net touch for San Sebastian.
on San Sebastian.
Yeah, yung errors. Kailangan nilang makontrol yung errors nila and mapigilan.
Now serving for the Lady Red Spikers.
Tabla tayo, 7-all. Sa second set, De La Cruz playing well, getting extended playing time here from Coach Kung Fu, Jonah Gonzalez. With a powerful hit to bring us to our first technical timeout. On the other side, we will bring you a report from
Our score
Chantal Laude.
is 8-7 in favor of the San Sebastian Ladies Staff.
Mga kapuso, we're still live at the San Andres Sports Complex para sa ating Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Para kay Head Coach Roger Gorayev of the San Sebastian Lady Stags, it's always the same story para sa kanilang koponan. They start with good energy but eventually fail to sustain this. Ani nga ni Coach, nahihirapan daw ang team nila dahil kapag nagkakaroon na ng mga simpleng error, instead of recovering, they eventually scramble at saka dito, they shut down. Kaya naman ang words of wisdom niya raw, kesa na-stress niyo yung sarili niyo, bakit hindi niyo bigyan ng stress yung kalaban niyo? Kwento naman ni Kat Santos, one of their leading scorers, it's the team's communication that they still have to improve. Yung pressure, hindi naman daw yung nawawala. Pero as a team's ate, she has to step up. Now, let's see if the Lady Stags can still change the course of their story sa larong ito. Morten and Shola?
Thanks, Chantal. Medyo sumakit yung ulo nila doon sa service error. So that's what we're talking about. At yung nireport din ni Chantal, you know, at some points in a set, na nawawala. Itong bumibitaw, sabi mo nga, Shola, itong San Sebastian.
Yeah, and nabanggit din ni Chantal na yung error, then error ulit. Kumbaga, nagiging domino effect siya na parang once na nag-start sila mag-error, sunod-sunod ka.
Kasi you're breaking your own momentum.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah.
Ito si Balahaja. Wow, another combination from San Sebastian.
Yeah, it's a good play from Balahaja. Kita niyang nalito na itong blockers ng San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
And that's one of the reasons why you activate your middle blockers.
Yes.
Kasi pumuntos kanina si KJ, so
Yeah.
threat na rin siya.
Isa na rin siya sa kailangang bantayan nitong San Beda.
Ito si Tepusoy. Espina. Back to Angel here. Pinadaan sa blockers. This is a rejection from the Lady Red Spikers.
Yan, block from Espina. Kita niyang soft touch. Soft spike na itong si Deposoy. Nakabantay na siya doon.
Yeah. The smaller blocker in that sequence, Gina Espina, able to get a kill block. Deposoy, wala. Basa pa rin itong blockers. Ang
And
iba
bantay na
diskarte.
siya.
Abacon! Ooh. Angel with a power hit.
Two blockers. Two blockers, pero parang wala siyang pake doon sa dalawang blockers na yon.
Kahit tatlo pa daw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mukha nga. Mukha
diba?
nga.
ito, kahit tatlo, isa spike pa rin niya.
Yeah.
Diba? Same approach.
Parang kahit ang dami ng butas
Oo.
sa corner ng court, ipapaluin pa rin niya.
Kasi kaya niya.
Yeah.
Deposoy. Good coverage from AJ Campos. And now, Angel is checked. They go back to her though. Check pa rin. Espina over to the other side. Oh! A drop from Bachar.
Wow! Well, kita niyang open area itong middle part ng San Sebastian.
Off speed.
Yeah.
Diskarte ni Bachar. 3-point lead for San Beda.
Ano ba kayo? Hindi ba kayo nag-aaral doon sa kilos ng kalaban ninyo? Lahat kayo nakapirmis dito sa likod. Daig nyo pa ipinako yung paa eh. Gumalaw kayo. Isipin nyo baka kung anong iniisip ng kalaban ninyo. Hindi yung iniisip nyo lang. Unahan nyo yung kalaban nyo. Sumisigaw na ako eh. Ilalaglag eh. Di ba?
Kaya pagka hindi na sila makalusot sa atin, mag-drop na mag-drop yan.
Nice block sa
Yeah, I feel like yung na-mention ni Coach Roger. Kasi before pa tumalon si Bachar, makikita mo na yung angle ng kamay niya, kung anong gagawin niya. Pero late lang nag-react itong San Sebastian.
Nag-start tayo. 8-7. Abante pa ang San Sebastian. Now, it's a 12-9. So that's a 5-1 run unleashed by San Beda. Oh, good reaction from Abacon.
Sayang.
That's a point for the ladies'
10-12. We'll see if San Sebastian can fight back here. Balahadi ang magsisimula dito.
GM Malahaja now serving.
Good sharp serve unleashed by Balahaja. Here's Angel. Ooh, too much for Lazarte on the other side.
Wow. Alam mo, Martin, na-amaze ako kay Espina kasi alam niya kung ano yung kailangang set for Angel Habacon. Alam niya kung gaano kataas. And basta yung kailangan ni Angel, kumbaga kilala niya si Angel pagdating sa attack.
Yung pinaka-effective na height tsaka bilis ng set. Ano?
Yes.
Iba-iba yan. Sabi mo nga per spiker. So, baka sila mahaba-habang bonding nung off-season natin.
Yeah.
Pero ito si Deposoy answering back with her own spike. 11-13. So San Sebastian staying within striking distance here. And they've been serving well.
Yeah, mukhang nag-struggle itong San Beda pagdating sa service reception.
Best chance for Bastedo. Good intention.
Yeah.
Dun lang sa execution nagkatalo.
Yeah. Kasi open nga naman itong zone 6 ng San Beda.
Gonzalez, bumawi naman agad. Down the line hit from Juna Gonzalez.
Alam mo, Martin, iniisip ko ngayon, sana hindi masundan ng error itong puntos na nagawa ni Gonzalez. Kasi yun yung nagiging parang nagiging routine ngayon ng San Sebastian.
Ito, naipasok nila. Espina to De La Cruz. The blocker was there. It was Marasigan who sent it back.
Yan, nabantayan nitong si Marasigan. Yung hulog. Soft touch nitong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
13-14. Back to a one-point game. Better first ball for the Lady Red Spikers. Bachar puts it down.
Bachar. Talagang tinarget niya itong high hands ng San Sebastian Lady Stags.
Kailangan ng butos balik sa mga wing spikers itong si Gina Espina.
Yeah, parang nakakatuwa kay Espina na alam niya yung mga kailangan set ng mga spikers niya.
That's right. Molina is now on the floor for San Beda. Hiponia is back as setter. Molina with a hit. And San Beda is first to the technical timeout of this powerful hit by Kat Molina. 16-13 for San Beda so far. Balik sa ating laban. And if you guys missed out on the first match, you missed a lot. It was almost 3 hours of toe-to-toe volleyball between LPU and Mapua. But in the end, LPU was able to survive and avoid a reverse sweep against Mapua.
Yeah, ang ganda rin ng naging laban nila. Kasi talagang dalawang matibay na kupunan yung naglaban sa game na yun.
Sabi sa atin ni Coach Cromwell as Gonzalez, yun yung kaninang gusto nilang i-run. Di ba,
Yeah.
Shola? Ang sinabi sa atin ni Coach Cromwell, off-cam naman po. Sabi niya, bakit pag LPU Mapua, lagi kami 5 sets?
5 sets.
Parang 2 taon na yan ganyan.
parang may hugot kayo sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Talagang nagbabawian.
Oo. Pero ang panalo, yung mga viewers natin,
Yes,
yung mga
of
fans.
course. Talagang nag-e-enjoy sila manood.
That's right. De La Cruz hitting it wide.
May good intention from De La Cruz.
So,
Napasobra lang.
oo, sumobra lang. 2 sunod para sa San Sebastian. At isang inahabol nila, Tina Marasigan. Did not start today, but has scored already. Good serve. Hiponya choosing Molina. Well read. Underhand pass to De La Cruz. Lazarte covering the grounds. Siya rin ang nagtawid. Hiponya. Back to Molina. De La Cruz this time.
Oh,
There's a check.
yes. Check, ball. Galing dito kay De La Cruz. This time, sumakses na siya. Kasi kanina yung intention niya ipa-check talaga. Pero this time, nakuha niya na yung point.
Now serving for San Beda.
17-15. At tinuldukan din nila yung run nitong San Sebastian. Faulty pickup. Gonzalez. Overpass. Pero bumalik pa rin sa San Sebastian.
Double contact violation for San Beda.
Double contact.
Double contact. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what happened. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So, nagsimula sa forearm, tumalbog dito sa may neck area ni Hiponya. Habakon off the high set. Tepusoy! Oh! Kept alive by Hiponya. Good effort. San Sebastian, another chance for them. Combination naman. Picked up by Flores. Molina. Underhand pass. Habakon. Off the block this time.
Ang naging advantage nitong si Habakon, nakita niya agad yung kamay ng mga blockers niya. Kaya mas napadali para sa kanya ipa-check yung bola.
But you have to commend the floor defense of San
Yes.
Beda that time around. Dahil may mga bola na dapat puntos na ng
Puntos na,
baste.
yeah.
No? Pero naiaangat pa nila. Oh, difficult first ball. Ito na ang San Beda. Hiponya setting up Navarro. There
Ooh!
was a touch.
Net touch. Dionisio.
Gusto ng review ni Coach Clint from San
We
Sebastian.
have a coach's challenge for San Sebastian.
Ito na Martin yung yung end game
Ah,
na kailangan mas maging matibay nitong San Sebastian. Kasi nakikita natin na nag-struggle sila, of course, sa passing.
ah.
Yun yung kailangan nilang tibayan, lalo na kapag pa-end game na.
Di rin sila makapatay ng bola.
Yes.
Diba? There were key moments na parang itatabla na nila
Yeah.
pero hindi bumababa. And also credit again to the effort of the Lady Red Spikers. Kasi yung mga ganun, it's also a mark of a great team. So
Yeah.
yung may mga ganong baga broken play, nahirapan kayo sa pick-up pero nagagawan mo pa rin ang paraan.
Doon din lumalabas yung connection na meron yung team nila. Talagang alam nila yung system na igagalaw, alam nila yung connection ng bawat isa. Kumbaga, para silang dugtong-dugtong eh. So, yung movement din, isa.
And again, hours of training and reps.
Yeah.
pati na rin off the court. Mas
Mm.
effective ba yun?
Yeah, actually yes.
Di ba?
Yung kapag meron kayong bonding off the court. Kasi ano siya hindi nyo napapansin pero lumalabas siya sa loob ng court. Yung connection na nabubuo niya sa labas.
Kasi halimbawa, libero, as we see here, the ladies tags, just enjoying. Pero down sila dito. Okay lang, chill muna.
Yeah.
Kasi halimbawa, libero to setter.
Mm,
Di ba? Parang mas magaang siguro yung energy
yeah.
kapag familiar kayo sa isa't isa
Yes.
on and off the court.
Alam mo, Martin, yun yung pinakakailangan may matibay na connection
Mm.
sa loob ng court, the setter and the libero.
Yan.
Kasi, kumbaga, magkakaroon ng magandang execution kapag maayos yung pass and the set.
Yun na nga.
Yeah.
Kasi doon nagsisimula ang set.
Yeah.
Ang rally pala. Okay. Was there a touch?
After
There was
reviewing
none.
the play,
So this will be
the challenge is successful.
a successful challenge for San Sebastian. So, is it just gonna be a replay of the point? I think it's just gonna be a replay of the point. If they're
Yeah.
not calling the net touch. Yan, replay.
Yeah. Mid-rally rin kasi tumawag ng challenge.
The last play will be replayed.
So, the score right now, 18-16.
Yeah, stick tayo sa 18-16.
Yeah. Okay. Juniega to serve. Palahadia to KJ, who's read like a book by the blockers. Net defense solid for San Beda. Gonzalez. The ball bounced off the net. KJ
Ooh.
putting it down off the overpass.
Soft touch from Dionisio. Still a point for the San Sebastian Ladies Tags.
Binasa muna ni Junicio.
Yeah, parang chinek niya muna kung saan yung area na walang tao. Then, yeah, easy point.
Good pickup. Habakon with a point.
Oh. Kahit anong set,
Oh,
na-amaze ako sa kanya kasi the way niya i-adjust yung katawan niya mid-air. Kasi medyo mahirap yun siya gawin eh.
correct.
Kailangan mo rin talagang i-practice yung ganong way ng pagpalo.
Parehong setter na comment na ni Shola.
Yes.
Hiponia and Espina.
Espina,
Di ba?
yeah.
Pareho. So, kahit sino ipasok ni Coach Kung Fu, magkakaiba na lang sa diskarte. Espina. Balik kay Habakon. Oh!
Nandun na siya. Yeah, nagkamali lang ng contact.
Timeout dito
San Sebastian Ladies Tag.
para sa San Sebastian. Angel Habakon sending it to Gonzalez, who was unable to pick it up.
Hindi naman yung bola ang bablakin mo, yung spiker. O di naiwan dito mag-isa yung single block. Ay, ang ginagawa mo ron, pumunta lang doon yung bola, takbo ka rin doon. Ako ba naman, Ineng? Okay, matalino kayo dyan.
Isa.
Alright.
Yeah, nagkakaroon ng struggle pagdating sa blockings itong San Sebastian.
Yeah.
Kasi actually hindi dalawang tao. Parang 4 na tao yung kailangan nilang bantayan. Meron din kasing back row. So, yeah, nag-work parehas para dito sa San Beda.
Tsaka hindi nakahabol ng gusto itong San Sebastian.
Yeah.
Ooh! Ramos took that on the ground. Espina now. Pipiliin si Bachar. Diretso kay Marasigan. And a laser hit from Bachar.
Yeah. Good dig sana pero napasobra. Sa sobrang lakas ng palo nitong si Bachar.
Oo.
Substitution for San Sebastian. Number 11.
Ano nang in-improve nito ni
Yeah.
Janelle Bachar? Because before, meron na eh. Meron ng raw materials itong si Bachar. Ngayon napulido, mas may precision na yung mga atake niya. At may consistency na rin.
Yeah. And parang nalabas rin ng system ni Coach Kung Fu.
Yeah.
yung laro ng mga players.
Exactly. Gina Espina with a service ace. That gives them a 5-point advantage. Their biggest in the second set. Kat Santos, it's been a while for Kat. Espina brings it to Habacon. Naka-ready yung blockers. Bachar will try here. Drop was popped up. Santos, return to sender.
Nice block. Galing dito kay Bachar. Kita-kita niya kung saang area na papaluin itong si Kat Santos.
Good coverage by Bachar.
Serving the Lady Red Spikers.
5 straight points by San Beda. It was 18-17. Good pop-up by Flores. Or that was Campos rather. Bachar!
Ooh.
Again!
Janelle Bachar.
Alam mo yung maganda, Martin, dito sa San Beda. Steady kasi yung blockings ng San Beda. That's why yung defense nila maayos din. Kasi kumbaga susundan na lang ng defense ng San Beda kung saan yung mga butas ng blockings.
Yeah.
Attack goes out.
Kaya yung mga attacks nitong San Sebastian nakukuha nitong San Beda Lady Red Spikers.
So teka. 25-17.
Oh,
Tapos na yung set. So San Sebastian
And that ends set number
unable
2.
to
Our
get the
score
points.
is
And Beda
25-17.
with a commanding 2 sets to none lead in
Lady Red
the
Spikers.
match.